exporting out of the books. Now there are a number of different things going on in this area. The first is that we may, for some odd reason, be using some other accounts package alongside the hub and the book. So we may be using something like Sage or QuickBooks or Mind Your Own Business or something like that. In which case, we may be doing things like sales order processing and purchase order processing here in the books and then exporting the results of that out to our accounts. What's really important then is that the export data goes out in the right format for that accounts package, and also that once it's exported out, those items are locked here in the books so that the two packages remain synchronized. So we've got a number of different things impacting on this exporting out, and it's all controlled under here, export accounts to the books. But before I do that, I just want to show you in preferences how we set this up. Now here on the main defaults page, we've got this thing here, default accounts package. Now that's set to the books at the moment, but if I want to, I can say I want to set that for QuickBooks. What we want the books to do then is to set up our account export so that they're formatted in the format that QuickBooks need. And to illustrate this, I'm going to jump into Invoices Out. I'm going to click again to go into my Invoices Out list. Down at the bottom here now, you can see that it says Export to QuickBooks. We've got another option which is our own The Books format, but exporting to QuickBooks means that these columns at the top here will automatically pick up the order which QuickBooks wants for information to be imported. So we've got the account name, the description, the account code in the third field, the currency, the net value, the VAT value, and notice these are the exchanged values coming through here, and various other fields in a line so that when we do this export, we'll get that information in the form that QuickBooks want it. Now, it's possible that if we just go back here, and I just want to show you this changing. If we, for instance, use Sage, then exactly the same holds true. If we now go back to our Invoices Out, we'll get this information in the Sage format, and you can see that we can now format this for Sage. If we chose a different format, these headings are going to change up at the top here. Maybe not, I mean they haven't changed now, but they'll change slightly in order to make sure that the configuration is correct. Once we've done that, all we need to do is to click the Export Accounts, and it will produce an export Excel spreadsheet of our sales invoices, our purchase invoices, and our cash book transactions.